Welcome back, speak with my family. Welcome back to another Saturday evening video. Just before I go to the hairdresser to get my hair washed and comb, even if I'm not gonna get to make the barber today, but probably tomorrow is a better day. Yeah. But welcome back to another Saturday evening video. I am right here. I wanna do soup done cook already. The soup done cook on the bad, no send me no soup. Me not hear FedEx van out there, me not get no notification say delivery or nothing. What I deal with? You know want my belch no gas? You know want gas take me up? You know see man say I done work for me already. But man say me a conquer you long time. Hey. Anyway, you know what to do? Just continue to like, share, subscribe to that friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. It is so easy. I remember Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Please, me I beg you, give her a subscription if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. Just a simple subscription. Me just want to reach a 1,000. Alright? I remember you ask her to get it. You know, the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. And as you hear me repeat over and over, my $ Life is a Mission cash app is down. So technical glitches, still working on it. So I'm using this one temporarily. So it's no, hanky panky. It's $ Charms and Trends. Alright? And remember, go support Charms and Trends. The business pages on Instagram, charm_and_trends. And you can go straight to the website and make your order. If you want any query or any question, you can go on the Instagram page and just drop in the DM and leave a message. They surely will respond to you. Very good customer care service. Alright? Yes man. Charmed and Trend. Do support. Very supportive people then. Oh, and last but not least, I must say big up to one of our own plankers. Yes, see it here. Stay blessed. Natural juice. Yeah man, natural when I juke from this man, we get up on my beat one of the pumpkin and mash. Because I kind of love pumpkin punch, yeah. Pumpkin and mash. Yeah. So this now is a juke plum. Because we have a little showers of rain. Presently I'm doing this video because it should be doing outside, but because of the rain me I do it inside and bring down a piece of heat. So I have to drop one of the juke plum and I tell you. If you make it no better than this or your yard, me I tell you something wrong. It does come in like a your yard you make it. So just one of our planker sisters you can support her. Stay blessed natural juice straight out of St. Thomas. You can reach her on 876-486-8868. Yeah man, so anytime when I come a yard, I want to know in a St. Thomas area or even Kingston, because she must in a Kingston doing her business and stuff. You can just reach out and say, Planka sister, come, we support you. We want some refreshment. Which part you there? One day if you're convenient can reach me. You understand? 486-8868. Stay blessed. Natural juice. So into the commercial break now, because I don't know a commercial segment. So right into the commercial break before we get into the video.
Show someone just how much they mean to you. Our bracelet stacks add that perfect oomph to any outfit, and our custom tumblers are the perfect way to show love to the people you cherish. Choose your color, your style, add your personal touch, like the day you first met, or the first song you danced to together with your boo. Be as corny as you want, unapologetically. Every day is the perfect day to spread love. Order your personalized gifts today by visiting www.charmedandtrends.shop. We promise you'll love your gift of a lifetime. Scouts Honor.
So support my people, support. Good peoples to support. Both Stacy, Stay Blessed, Natural Juice, and Charms and Trends. As I said, she a real planker. You understand? And I know her before even social media. So just go out there and support her. Anyway people, me come across that video here. Because me don't know where I'm going, People tell me say T-girl there Canada. Because she making posts But knowing them good on the Photoshop and them something there, that's why them can, run out all the while and say I should Photoshop people, Photoshop this and Photoshop that. Because them know them good on, they are expert on certain things, so them just think the same way that people will do the same thing. But I come across a video here, Sameway TV, A.K.A. Yes. And them see, I don't know, where them a racer, who come out on top at the end of the week, where relevancy is concerned or content is concerned. Tina, right now you're there behind Queen Bee and Curly. You understand? Because for somebody will say you know depend on social media and you have your jobs and your houses, because that's what you said, your houses. It seems like you're desperate. So if it's not for social media money, you're living sad. Yes, you're living sad, Sameway TV, A.K.A. You're sad. Your life is very sad. Because for somebody who comes out here and say you have houses, I don't know who you were counter-rocking or what you did say, but in the video, I don't quite remember. Because as I say, when I don't do I put it up on practice to not come live again. And you said you don't have houses, you have houses. So I don't know what the houses is like. If it's a sum of more than two, because you can have two houses and say houses, because it's more than one. But at the same time, having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 house is a quality house. Although a house is a house, because some have none. But for brag and boast, we are looking for braggadocious and yes. But what me I say, all this where you come about Planka Nation and go up in your comment and a this and a this and a Tara and a Wara. So as you say, when we come out, you are come out for such woman. Well, as me say, when you come out Sameway TV, whether you are Tina or you are not Tina, me I go come out at Tina. But when you come out with something like this, boy, you are going to memories, but Ratty Pitney them. And Dana make the most alt of a Ratty Pitney them donation. And Miss Richie. And she should have treated those set of people more differently. One, put away the alt. What different did you want she to treat Ratty Pitney them? In the video, you say Ratty Pitney them have a grandmother or a grandfather or auntie or whatsoever. They could not afford what Ratty Pitney them have gotten from Dana and the Planka Nation. But Dana used her platform and the Planka Nation to put them on good footing by giving them a house, and not just giving them one house where them bungalow up in a 3-4 bed. You understand? I think one room share for two. Or you go, two of the boys them are two of the girls, something like so. But the girls them have either them get them own room or something like so. You understand? Nice downstairs area for living and kitchen and stuff like that. What more did you want? And after that, furnished house. And I think the last time when Dana did that, turn over the little money we left, them get too much food that were on camera, we come barrel like this and food. You understand? So what more Dana should have done? Take them up solely on our arms? Because that is all to make it look like these recipients, where on the same one say, them to come off a program and go look work, them to maintain themselves, Dana still have them a collect money for them because she want money for thief. And when them come off of the program, Uno still have a problem with she have them on her arms. Me never know say them a roll on. Or Uno say after them come off of the program, she is solely responsible them from her personal gains from her business. Is that so? Miss Richie, the same thing. How better did Uno want she treat Miss Richie than how she treat Miss Richie? Miss Dana in the present of Miss Richie more than how she in the present of her mother. You understand? Miss Dana in the present of Miss Richie more than she in the present of her mother. So how better only the one she treat Miss Richie and Miss Richie not related to her? When you come now, man, make it make sense. But you come out here now and talk about you gotta play, you gotta talk memories. And Donna make this big all. Where is the big all that she have made? If Donna make big all out of Ratty pitting their money, you don't have got the big all house there. We only claim to say that the big all house is never necessary. Remember, 4 pitney, I remember most of the money, spend up because of the nature of the area where the place are built. You have to do certain little things, so it costs an extra dollar than if you didn't have an open space where you could have measured, say, boy, 80 feet square by 80 feet square. It was like you're growing firm gully, so you have to have many, so you have to have foundation, so you have to do this, so you have to have lick out, so just to create the area, so them could have get somewhere reasonable. That all, the 2 girls, sisters have to live under a part of the building that was have to prepare, because based on how them they have to structure the place just to get the space for them have to they go in, I think them have to go in at these 2 girls little area with them have to build for them little something, and they agreed to, the things that happen that, and it so happened that they also get little assistant with for them little part where them are build. So where the big all of money where Dana get there? All of the money wanna say Dana take up and take and put in our pocket based on one and say someone sitting on the house, them and sitting wanna go. Them they wanna there for sure. Them wanna go up. Furniture would wanna dangerous, but maybe go hear what she has said, people. Maybe go get in what she has said.
Welcome back, guys, welcome back to the channel. So you see through the planketeer and them come out for me in the comment section. I guess I'm gonna be going down memory lane every day. Every day
Don't waste that
I'm
time.
gonna go down memory lane. So today I wanna talk
We
about
got big
Ratty
foreign and
kids.
so now alright in our life.
Ratty was
Oh no,
one
uncomfortable
of
so.
the recipients that was early off
You know
on
so uncomfortable in America when
Dana
you say no
program,
alright.
and she passed away. They said because of some illness, we really never get the reason as to. There was many different stories as to how she passed. Some say Akobia didn't work on her. Some say she was very sick and da. Anyway, she passed away. And of course, Donna bring the story to social media, and the kids them never really live nowhere. And of course, everybody jumped in to try to build a house for them. And let me tell you something, when I said that was Donna's biggest all that she ever get on social media was off of Ratty kids them. And you know what it is? I think them kids, those kids are Miss Richie. Sin will always be upon Donna because she was wrong the way she treated them. So anyway, Ratty lost her life and the kids them was left. Basically with nobody. I think they had a grandmother and uncle or something like that.
Yes, them have a grandmother and an uncle, and I'm glad you know that. And before, what treatment they were getting from the grandmother and the uncle whosoever you have identified, them never have nothing to give them. I remember now they are relative, they are families. Don't it? Alright. As me said Dana, and the Planka Nation step in, give them a house and whatsoever. I come like all where only the one to see the little girl pitney where in a what one of them are that one is a little girl or a 2, I don't remember. Dana she go one welding shop, go buy one crutches bar for them where she well on pan them and have a lock feet. Because all that me hear no come and say Dana, see the little pitney them go breathe, the little girl them go breathe. So what that have to do with Uno? Or what Dana should have do? Eh? Was that Dana duty? The last time Dana shine light on her bed, you know, say Dana this and Dana that. But at the same time, when things happen otherwise, in actually the same line, it's like you don't want to blame the woman feet. What can this woman do for Uno? She have to just do it for herself. Do what please her. She not do nothing to please Uno. What please her and what is in line with our good deed program and what her donors satisfy with, not Uno. Because if she follow Uno, she will never be on the right spot or in the right place. Because Uno going like Dana help the picnic them now, and one of them that girl pick now, must say yes, say them she pregnant. Dana have should have responsible for them that she not get pregnant, whether out of school or just as she left school. That wasn't done a responsibility. Not even for build the house was done a responsibility. But she have a program running and she see it fit. And then Ratty did come to her before for assistant. You don't know how that it all go. And now these are kids. Need the assistant and she have a program around who can assist them. She go ahead and assist them. But it wasn't her responsibility. So how now go on, I couldn't want to all these responsibility of these recipients when things happen down the line pan the woman. But at the same time, during these recipients and the program and the woman do a certain things to make sure things go right and things depend par, you still take it and go on like you don't want to come judgmental against the woman. You remember when the woman shined the flashlight on at the bed with the same Mary Puss? Oh, you take it on and run with it. Like you run a relay, a pass back and yes, back and this, back and yes, back and this. Eh? Remember now, Mary Puss was big enough, Remember now, Mary Puss and tell Dana, tell her, say, you can't take care. You understand? But where was this man when you're in your troubles and your trials and you come and you feel the thing and you said this and you said that? Where were he? But now as Planka Nation money build a place, you cannot carry a man in a house. That was the whole fuck of the matter here. You understand? He's not telling her she can't take her man. Because Dana could have never tell her not to take her man. Dana can't even tell nobody say no breed again. She only can suggest to them and ask them please not to. And because some of them have no ambition, them breed one time, you say a mistake, father gone. You breed 2 times, you get catch. You there take protection, but somewhere along the line you get catch. You understand? But father gone again. And this time, no ambition, carelessness. I want people to turn on sorry for them. And when time the woman come out and say certain things, you don't take offense to it. It offend you. You understand me I say to you? But when it's in a phone of favor, when you don't want it to happen certain way, you don't turn back the thing around. Who you to? The suit you? She have to just do it to suit herself.
So the Plunkers then decide to get together and build a house for her. Donna came, well not the Plunkers because a lot of the Plunkers them broke, we sure don't know that.
Yeah man.
She came out and begged.
I mean everyone we are going to reach and have money.
Donated.
But we're out tonight, no worry and prayers. We don't have to have millions and thousands to give.
Tommy was picking up in England. When I tell you it was, I don't even know how much millions of Jamaican dollars was picked up for the cause of those kids to build that little piece of house that we are sitting building.
Natural juice, straight out of St. Thomas.
At that time when they pick up money,
remember to call 1-876-486-8668.
To bury.
Stay blessed.
And I remember a couple of the people would put in the comment section and said, Donna, give them something to help bury Ratty. And she would cuss her. She said, this a program here, not burying dead.
Straight and plain, she have said it.
Right now, I talk to the old-time Plunker them.
Yeah, she said that straight and plain. But she did. She did. Remember, she said that. But remember, she did single out one person. Why you not say she single out one person? I did say it in the ear. I forgot to play further down. But she did say that the program now bury not dead. Don't bury dead. But she single out one person, which is Miss Richie. But continue. Let me hear what you say.
But it was so funny come to find out later on where she run marathon to bury Miss Richie.
Oh.
And she also pick up money to bury Winsome G-Man's son. Remember when they dirt up Winsome G-Man's son last year?
You forgot. You see me tell you she forgot. She stated the program now bury no. And she singled out one somebody which is Miss Richie. Probably only Miss Richie alone she will use the program for. When you come and say she take up money for Miss Winsome's son, remember good no man, But you not gonna remember because you no want have the remembrance when it come on to this woman. Once the thing suit Uno if you bring her down, Uno alright with it. Or when the natural truth is so easy to see in the eyes of the public. And all of who you say you're out here talk to, whether who support you why you're so over there so. Know within themselves and not so it go. Uno still decide to come out, come say it. The Planka Nation reach out, or a set of the Planka Nation reach out, because they did fall so much in love or liking of what's your name? Common Mama. As oh sometimes she can't jovial and she just tell it as it is, and you understand? So people find her a little bit. You understand? So there were a few people who reach out to assist. That'll never stop the blessing. You understand? That'll never stop the blessing. So when you come out here about she pick up money for come on Mama G boy, you remember the boy? Come on, you just do everything to make the woman look bad. When are you people is going to give this woman her flowers and put the hate aside, put the jealousy aside, put the bad mind aside and just decide say, but alright, me not lie, me a come out. Not even one time in our life over 5 years, you can come out and say, yes, me a give her props to that one here. Me and her no friend, and me and her will never be friend, and me no want a friend from her. And me despise her. But here me a give her props. Not even one time. I remember now this woman have done so much good in her eyesight. So much good. She not blindfold, you know, she transparent in everything what she do. But all when she transparent, you know, come out here, come fabricate story and say what you know want to say, who send money and them not hear them name call, who set up people to come say this, say that, say Tara, say Wara. Just fail to come out even one time out of so many and give the woman her props. Continue.
Have money for bear in, but Ratty, money was there for Ratty kids and cause people pouring millions of dollars and Ratty was on ice. And 99 says she not buried dead and never gave $1 towards Ratty funeral. Anyway, let's leave that here aside. So everybody have donated and lot of money collected and then build the house and stuff. When the house close to complete and they was doing the calculation, they realized that they got must about 4 times the amount of money that needed. I remember a lot of money was wasted because there was one time they put up wall and broke it down back. There was another time they do something Tana said she don't like it and make them broke out the whole thing and redo it. This is how that girl waste some people money.
Why the wall them put up and broke out back? It come back to what I said in the first part of the video. Because of the situation of all the space where these kids did get. Because the space in that little area. You ever said the whole of them coming like them a giant. One space where you that thing say, boy, I want some of the little spaces. When you hear from the shoulder to somebody's space. So the space them was so acute. You know, this little small land space there so. Where you hear say that piece that for that person, that little piece that for that person, that beanie piece that for that person. So there was them bill, I think them end up bill, and when them bill, them come up with a different idea. Or I don't remember if after when name Gazan them come on board. I don't quite remember, I don't want to tell a lie. There was some different idea come up and them decide say, alright, I could deal with it, so if I the better way to deal with it. You understand? You make it look like it's a Chris Gale thing. You understand? Where him build the house and about 10-15 times, him lick down back here, so him lick down back there, so because every time it's like him travel and him see something, look at him want it, so him come and him lick down. And so you make it look like it wasn't like that. They were trying to create something that is not on a blueprint. Remember now, you know, this wasn't on a blueprint, you know. Them just identify the space, visually I look on the space and I plan out things. But you know, I just saw how to stay. You don't always want to keep the paint color bright. You don't always want to make it look like a black paint. You just want dark everything when it come on to the woman. You don't shed no light on nothing what the woman do. A pure darkness.
I make a lot of money when we waste up. So when she figure out now that the money account for life, you know, some of the money account on live.
Some of the money, the whole like no count. Who you too?
And them sister go way over. She come out and say, well, me I go buy furniture for them and stuff like that. When the furniture buyer, she still say, she say have a lot of money left over.
Anybody have evidence of she not calling out them money?
First she said she not bank no money.
None of your friends them have evidence?
Then she go bank the money.
None of your friends them that give no money? I know you them name?
Millions of dollars that left over from Ratty kids them money that Planka Boss collected and Tommy Fear collected for them. Nobody know. Them kids are up there suffering right now. The last time I hear so the little girl get pregnant. Last time I hear somebody ask her on a live what about them. So she not time to ask her if you know if they should people want to go look for them, then if go and go look for them. So you see when
So what more she should have do? Or what more she should have said? If she come out and say she not busy with them and not go look for them, you'd still have a problem. Because you say she has to stop her blessing. Them blessing. She come out and she say she don't know warm to them, she not who want to go look for them, go and go look for them. She have done something wrong. She did refuse some answer nobody or tell nobody say don't go look for them. And as I said, the little girl pregnant, what she should have do? Turn watchdog over her, stand up at the doorway. Or when she stand up at the doorway, she can sneak her through somewhere else. When girl want, you know, Cartel tell you, when girl want, when girl want, but, yes man, Cartel tell you that. So when them want them things, you can't stop them. If she go to school, you go to school, go sit in a classroom with her. The school have accommodation to suit you, or suit Dana. So what you try to say? Or Dana, she has me say, buy a metal covering to cover her crotch and have a key feet. You don't want to give this woman too much responsibility. And even the little way she try to assist people with, you still have a problem with it. But at the same time, you don't want to find more responsibility for give her. So you have a problem with the little way she do, and you still want to give her more responsibility. Come now man, make it make sense.
she not take money for you no more and not pick up money she don't want you not about you no more. But what I really want to talk about it was a tablet. For the whole plankers them.
Yeah, that big old lie I share tell upon the woman with the tablet them. Yeah, the big old lie. But them never say, don't listen to yourself. Because real plank and know what is what.
You know, schooling from home. They had to, you know, homeschool tablet. Everybody had tablet. People was donating tablet. Who can buy it was sending it and donating it. Donna had came out on her live and said she don't know how the kids go back to school because she don't have a tablet for them. Lorraine always play it when the things say me a joke over Lorraine go listen to it. She don't know what happened to them because she don't have a tablet for them. That same evening, I think it was, no, I don't think it's a same evening. I think it's a couple of days after that. Ashanti come out and
Yo!
apparently the donor.
We need to write down one and come chat, man.
Ratty kids and call Ashanti. At the time Ashanti when he in a box of catics. Call Ashanti come out and in live and said, Donna, the tablet where the woman sent go give you, go give to the people them, else me come out and bust out everything. Not long after that, Donna come out and in live and say one teacher call him from the school and one long story, and he have the people them tablet underneath the bed, and he have the people them tablet underneath the bed, and he go have the 5 tablet and he go give them the 5 tablet. Remember, you know, days before that, you know, Dana come out and say, I don't know how them go back to school because me not have a tablet for them. Ashanti come out and say, Dana, give the people them their
And you approve of that.
because you get tablet
People,
before me expose you.
I don't remember clearly. And as you don't know, me not going to talk about what me don't know. But we know nothing go like how she a talk. But for me to come and break down this what she a say yes or to you, I don't remember clearly what they took in place. I remember about the tablet argument, but I don't remember what they took in place, what have been said from what was not said. So, I can break it down for you, but when me can't tell you, you know to yourself, say what she has said, and not so it go. You know to yourself. But I just can't break it down because I can't recall what was taking place at the time where the tablet was concerned. So, me not gonna elaborate on it. But make sure go on talk. But we don't know what she say, you say, because we know them stay now. All them love to twist things.
Put out everything out, yeah. Right after that, Dana come out and do a live and say she have the 5 tablet under the bed for the picnic them. No want to sit back and think about that for a minute. You see, Dana.
We don't know that one on 5
no,
tablet.
These are kids, you know, we just lose their mother and don't have no father in them life.
And you know all of that, and you never reach out to them. Never reach out to them, and you know all of that, and have so much in America, as you say.
And this greedy, wicked woman, we call herself humanitarian. Hold on to the tablet.
Can you imagine? You know all of this, and you're well off and comfortably in America, according to you. And you never ever reach out after you see it in yourself. So them just lose their mother. And them this and them that. And you never ever reach out to them kids here. Even now, presently. Where you hear say daughter this and them, you know, them need things and them hungry and where you want to try to say. Have you ever think about reaching out to them? You don't always have people in different places, behind closed door, under the bed, Jonah fly. So you can't link up somebody. Yo, you can't link up somebody and send even $300-400 come give them and say go buy some grocery. Eh?
Ever know say they do when they go come out and chat about you and sit down on her live with her big self and say, me no know how them go to school because me no on a tablet for them. And when
She talk about big self. Me she come out on one live and talk how much she a cuss leggy. The one she a cuss leggy I talk about. All them do is come out here upon people picnic and this and that. I remember, you know, I just since week me hear you do a video, you know, and claim to say the woman picnic weigh 400. One of the woman picnic weigh 400 pounds. Isn't that you talk about the woman picnic and listen how you put it, you know what is a 400 pounds? I don't remember hearing of a person weigh 400 pounds in the Guinness Book of World Record. I don't remember even hear that. But just to make the discrimination, you see which far you go? 400 pounds.
my brother Ashanti come out and bust it up and say, give the picnic them tablet because the tablet them was donated to you and also extra tablet was donated to you. Give the picnic them tablet. Then I come out and say the tablet them under our bed. And she never said that. Say them she never have no tablet for them. No want to think about that for a minute and see who not deal with here. Dana is nothing other than a criminal. That charity with Dana run on Mountain View is nothing more than a
She up in on her hometown now.
That
No lock her up.
charity
Call the feds
of
now.
only
She up in on her hometown.
Dana.
Up in on the town. It
And
is
the
so
government
easy
and he
to
shut
call the
his
feds.
and in people them.
Look at
That's
you now
all
too.
that charity have done. The recipients have been treated like crap. They have
And a
been
yard
robbed,
they are getting
and
now.
when they open up their mouth, they get
Remember now, you know, people. And I like that their yard now. So them as citizens we have them book can wave them. Wave. Yeah, we have the book can wave and palaver on a citizen. You understand? Even though the woman they have a green card, do not talk about a citizen have a black book. I know they on a ban, you know. And if I can't speak for it, probably may have an understanding of. You have to get the green card before you get the. You understand? So when you know come like it's not about stages. So what we're not gonna say? When she get fair book now, we're not gonna say you have phone one 30 years ago. So because you know have phone one 30 years ago, you know I gonna get better benefit or more benefit than what she would have get if she wanted. Does that mean you don't qualify for things because of the 30 years of having a book to fear 2 years or 1 year where she get the book when she get it? Look at you too. Coming like some bunching.
Eat up. That's what had happened to those recipients. The biggest person that come out of this charity, the more person that benefit out of this charity was Dana. Dana is the biggest person that benefit from this charity. And the dance a Mountain View. Yes. Not every recipient. That's why she have to pull back for them and they try to get more money and all of that.
So all these people will never live nowhere. Look what even the dark skinned girl there with the special need child. We have a little daughter and she have a little special need child. We living at the all lapidated. They've never stepped to walk going to the place. The step itself giving way. Not to mention when them reaching the house and you look on the floor bottom. Remember just as they move out of that place, it's like a God did that hold it up, Just as they move out of that place and move in the house, couple days, a crumble, the place actually start crumbling, You understand me I say too, So what? And achieve. Ratify, pity them what you talk about, achieve. The many others will just get food and the rest will get clothes. Look upon what she named where they live around and they look in between one little passage so. I don't know how furniture get for going there, so I must say furniture we can assemble going at the house because the way the passage look a bit so, the way everybody just take a piece and join a little piece and build a little something and say my house, this and my room, this. The one they living in between the pit tile to the young baby man, what she named the man. And get house for she and her pitney them. So hold on. And a benefit, them benefit. And all of that is beneficial. What do you call it now? The benefits where them get was all from Planka Nation supporters. Money that Dana collect. The support that Dana get is not from Planka Nation money. We should get to donate to these people in making them life better off. The support she get from them is when she sell fair product. When she do fair business. But only just fail to believe say, oh, the support is so strong. She can't sell 2 little cake and make how much thousands of dollars and build at the mansion there and buy this a vehicle and that the vehicle and have this and have that. She can't do this and make 2 little t-shirt and yes. Because only don't believe into the outpouring of support what she get from these people who is donor to the recipient them. They make her pay off to this woman because she's not taking $1 from them and she's not taking $1 out of the recipient them money. Everything transparent where everybody can see it. These people decide to go full strength ahead in supporting whatever she do. If a cake and them not eat cake, them buy it and give it away. If she keep an event and them can't come, them buy ticket and give it away. T-shirt, everything the same, just to support her. Because they want to give her deep on top of day and she refuse it. Invest in her business, so by that time you can't come send nothing and talk. See the pastor half her money in her last year she refused it. But now she keeping her event him come and want buy ticket. When me I do a business me I run, what you mean? Take him money.
Dana don't plan for work. You keep telling her that Dana is one big lazy simping. What you say?
You come back with this lazy talk and not plan to work. Why should a boss plan to work? And a boss at the level where she there, where she not have to even think about work. Because you do have boss that work, Because me can work in a big company and me have a little wholesale where me hire people. That makes me a boss. Don't it? Yes, that makes me a boss. Me can have one little small juice company but me still in a me big work. Where my big work coming in it allow me where I could have save money, borrow a loan to have a little small juice company or a small little manufacturing company. Me not feel like I reach a stage yet where I want to retire from my big job where I have because I still have places to go, so I continue to work. So me is a boss. But at the stage where Dana they know, Dana don't need to go work for nobody. What do you mean work? You need for work. She no need for work. She probably can't hire you right now. But then again, what qualification you have? You understand? What qualification you have? So you keep on a talk about that a lazy and that I no want work. How can you say a woman like this lazy? A woman who every season of her baking season where she should do it consecutively. You understand? I don't like she bleach tonight and 3 days after she not bleach again. Back to back nights. Which she stand up on her foot. All when you sleep a bus her shut she company line. Wagon Blanca. Blanca wagon me there. Me I take one little half hour 5 years. Cause they keep them in the oven. Then we come off in the next 45 minutes. So I gotta stay with them for 30 minutes. So I keep up my company there. Yeah man, sleep up bust me but me have to hold on cause I don't want to go around and stand with them and make a cake bun. Yeah man. Cause last night, yeah man, the one fresh him. Make one set bun. So me nah go left them tonight. Me I stay here with them so I keep my company but me want to sleep man. How much night you see that? So all if you say a woman like this lazy and tomorrow you see her again and do the same thing, Kawa. She know what she want. She know she's a seasonal baker and she know the demand of her order. She have to meet it in order to get what she want when the season done. So she stand up and sacrifice the nights. The rest we say you can't really make true money cause me stay, you know. Me tell people every day, you know. Me never go in and no hospital yet. Go see work lie down on a sea line. Work put you the human on a sea line. But listen this now, she only can go as much as she can go, you know. Because any night she dead and work and sleep, say yes, at my time. She have to know, say, I have to sleep time, fresh and stamina, and the whole of them have to do what them have to do. And if they mess up and I say, back burn, that's how it go. But she just can't stand up that night there. She wall out to where she can't wall out. But the part where me I talk about is Unu continue to say, continue to say the woman lazy. How can you prove a woman like this lazy? When evidence is out there, say this woman is so energetic when it come on to work and earn her own bread. Eh?
All that I want to do is put up on name and chat on live and put up makeup and dress up. That
You know what I'm jealous of? Let me tell you what I'm jealous of and why I want to say the woman lazy. Because the woman can afford to say, Fresh! Tina! Natalie, look, let's see my charger. Bring it come for me then. Janai! You water your flowers them already? Let me not tell you to water your flowers them, Janai. Taje! Go upstairs up by gazebo and bring down the way. That you not jealous of her, you know? Because she has, you hear how much name me call a while ago? Not one, not two. You hear how much name me call a while ago? And she cannot sit on one place and everything happen for her. But why do you think that can happen? Why do you think that can happen? In a season, out of season, them earn it or them not earn it are always free to them. What I say? In the baking season, in a working season, out of season, she always have her hand free to them. And that I want to jealous of her because she can sit down and get everything done what she want. Una say she lazy. But if that you not go take and judge say the woman lazy, come on, you know are stupid. Yes man, you know are stupid. When I work time, you know it's a work time. When I work time, you know even when a donation time where she have to take up donation and have go visit this house and that the house there, you can't call a woman like that lazy. So if the woman sit down and relax and depend on her life and have the privilege can call Fresh Janai, Tina, Natalie and when name there. Oh, you have to put that on so she lazy. A relaxing mood she in her. You understand? When the beamer driving a normal mood. But when you put it in a sport mood, a different mood. So when she sit down and have a relaxing mood, it's just a relaxing mood. But when she put the body in a the driving mood, if you go out there go work, a working mood. You can't say she lazy. A woman of fair size and caliber can't lazy and achieve what she achieve through working. Remember, no, she sit down and achieve what she have. And work, she work. You understand? Work. So now come talk about lazy man. You don't know what lazy mean.
I'll have no intention for work. She have her intention is to scam and thief for the rest of her life. So since you don't want memory every day me I go bring on the memories. And we are going to talk about it. So today we talk about Ratty kids. Tomorrow we are going to talk about somebody else. Because we all know Sedana
You just have waste on the time.
money. I know we don't know where all of that money where they're supposed to bank.
She up in your hometown called the feds. Most of the money come from America. So call the feds and go up with no evidence.
They go inside house bigger. Dana they do this and Dana they do that. That's all we see.
Bon, you
Why
hear?
those kids were suffering.
That you don't like. You don't want to see nobody elevate.
Parents, their mother.
They could get a girl shouldn't elevate. But you have to remember.
Listen, let me take these kids under my wings. Let me rock from everybody else, but not from them.
Take them on our wings.
Dana not
Who you
discriminate
to?
against anybody.
Who
Dana
you to?
rock
Are the
from
responsibility
the
on the one who want to come? Who you to?
The handicapped, the disabled, the picnic, the dog, the cat, you know, care who him they rob.
What I want to remember, you know. One, as me said, Dana come America with our shillings, with our coins. And when she come America, I can almost certain that she have her shilling and coin up there too. And remember, most of all, don't forget this. Dana take herself from riches to rags. You understand? She take fear herself from riches to rags. Because why? She were not comfortable in just sitting down knowing that, oh, daddy can't tell me this, daddy can't tell me that because daddy a give me this, daddy a give me that. She want to go out there and experience her own life. And in doing so, she never become turn a batter ears a road. You understand? In doing so, when she reach at Mountain View, she never becomes a batter ears. Like no fauna. She give the history. She go near school of beauty. She go learn a trade. A skill, I should say then, if anything, anywhere you don't want to put it. And after that, she tell you how much run up and down she do a school gate here, so school gate there, so down a town and sell earrings, sell this, sell that, every little thing. That's true potential of a woman who want to reach somewhere in her life and achieve something in her life. Unlike someone with a foreigner sit down and wait for this man, that the man to come with illicit money when him get from here, there and everywhere. But you don't see that. It's different from someone who go out there go lie down with man to achieve. Because you don't tell yourself say Father God go in a bread basket like St. Elizabeth to carry on a foot. So you go a road and you use up that. Because you feel like say on a strong point that in gaining what you want. But what a day when your basket turn over. And you found the basket turn over from an early age. So you end up achieve what you really want. And the little one you have, what you achieve during the period of time, you never have no management of it. So basically, guess what? When you just spend, because you feel like say the bread basket, you have on the foot, the Father God going like how St. Elizabeth down at Jamaica, yeah? You feel like say it never there go empty. Yeah, man. So you squander the little money. But when the basket turn over too early in our life. And probably if you still have the basket can't use because some of the basket not good enough. It not good. And some of it on depend upon in our life. You see when you say people lazy, depend upon the bread basket when you claim say Father God going on a foot. And it feel no for you. Nick and dime someone to get from it. Nick and dime.
I mean, just a rap. That's it.
Not no substance someone not get from the bread basket the Father God going on.
I say she's good for Jamaica and she's supposed to get this. As long as I have this page and even when I take it down, I go get another one, I will expose what she is. Because I know exactly what she is, a criminal.
Exposing is not enough. She up in her hometown, call the authority and issue no evidence. She not hiding. She easily can find. So easy. So, instead of come out here and inoculate social media, we don't look of mouth we don't have. Just do it and done now, man. Just do it and done. Call in the authority. She up in our hometown. Speak my mind, people. Bless up on yourself. Happy Saturday. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. You don't know what to do. It is so easy. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is right down there in the comment section. Go ahead and give her a subscription, please, and thanks. And remember, you know, Tamika Douglas TV is still out there. You can go support her and watch her video them and thing too, you know. I don't know if she monetized as yet, but she reached that 1,000. She was working on the watch hours. I don't know if she reached it, so you can help her to also reach the watch hours. Alright, and remember the cash up down the $, Charms and Trends. Just do what you have to do. If you don't want to do, give me. We take the gift, give back to the needy. And please remember, go support Charms and Trend business. Anything you don't want to customize, you want to see, you can get it. Just drop in at the DM, talk, and pass on the information how you want it, what you do. Yeah. Charm _ and _ Trends on Instagram. And Charms and Trends .shop. Support. Very supportive. Oh, and remember, stay blessed natural juice. I want our own planker, this real planker. I mean, they're not going to say she life is a mission and speak my mind because we are friends before this. Alright? So bless up on yourself. Run go support. When you get that Jamaica, you want some refreshing juice. And if you know that St. Thomas side, you can call her, call straight out of Prospect St. Thomas. 876-486-8868. Stay blessed. Natural juice. Real juice, people. Real like a yard there. I'm out.